Hello guys, today I have done something which is something new actually. So this is the Kiwi application, and it is I'm used I'm used ASCII Magic. Yeah, this library which will convert actually text to ASCII actually. So you can see the you can see the and I have edited some part actually, and this is the my local copy of the module, and I have edited so so we can render text to Kiwi widget. For that, to render color text, we have to use markup level. Okay, so for that, just you can see markup Kiwi markup. Yeah, so you can change, or you can set color to every character. See, this is my this is the output. See, this is the camera actually. This is the camera. It is capturing my video, and it is converting to ASCII, and it is rendering to my Kiwi widget. Okay, so this is the color video actually. So the resolution is not so high. I can change that, so I can see my video is showing, and you can see this is my mouse and the color actually, the light coming from my mouse, so it is like red color. Okay, so the color is also coming from that. Okay, so so to render colored text in Kiwi widget, we have to use markup character. Okay, markup language. Okay, so for that, what I have done one thing. I have downloaded this code actually. It is under MIT license maybe. Yeah, so it is open source, and so the local copy I have here pasted here, and this is the I have done one thing actually. See, I have defined here are some function to file ASCII to HTML file, and I have defined the thing actually to Kiwi markup. Okay, and I have introduced this method here, and what I've done in Kiwi things, just go to line, and yeah, I have added this mode equal to key mode Kiwi markup equal to, and joining line. Before that, this function will build the character, every character for HTML file. Okay, or some other text, or for terminal also. And this is the main thing what I have done here. Yeah, see, for HTML they are introducing colored text, colored character. Okay, how they introduce, they just added some tag actually. So similarly, what I have done here, I have added the Kiwi markup, and I have taken the color hex value, and here I have added the markup code and change the color of the text, so I can build the string with colored markup. Okay, so like, which defined is here. Okay, definition is here, how to use Kiwi markup. Now that the thing I have edited and made a function which return Kiwi markup text. Okay, so the thing is here, I have added this, and another thing is that I have removed the two characters, like this character and this character, because it will mess up with key markup. That is why I have just removed from the character. Okay, so I have deleted from the character density. Just read the whole the thing, you can easily grab the thing actually. Okay, so and what I have done here, I have just imported, I've done many things here. So I'm not using OpenCV thing actually. So yeah, so here I have introduced some level font, and that this is the mono space regular space mono regular TTF file for font. Okay, so you have to use monospace character file. Okay, then what I've done, I have built some application, and this is the markup level I have just added from Kiwi. Okay, and it will create the texture of the markup level. And I have started the update in clock schedule interval, so it will update again and again, and it is taking. And what is my Kiwi? Okay, so this is my Kiwi file, and this is the layout actually, and I have introduced some shader widget. Okay, so it will render the texture actually. So you can use any other simple widget, and just put the texture on it. I have used GLSL, so we can do more things actually in future. So you can use like simple text and just introduce this rectangle thing. Okay, just see here the code, just render the texture here. If you use the simple widget, I am using the shader widget which I have defined here, so that is why. And the camera widget is here. Okay, so camera widget is just taking the video or input from my camera, and what I am doing in every update, it is taking the texture from the camera, and it is converting texture to pixel, which is the byte string. And what I have introduced here, what I'm getting the width and height from the texture, and what I'm doing here, the onp doing some doing texture to converting texture to NumPy data. So for that I have defined the nj from buffer, which is here actually. Yeah, see, nj from buffer, and height and width, which is taking the buffer, and means that texture dot pixels, which is taking, and it is converting to NumPy array, and it is shipping to it with a particular dimension. Okay, and it is flipping. I'm just introduced that flip, so it will flip left to right. Okay, and I have here used the numba ngit. Okay, to like to it will perform faster, like. So you can use or cannot, it depends upon you. I have used here. Okay, so if you don't want to use it, ignore it. So you can ignore by some this thing actually. So I have used it to like, and to for further details numba, just search new MBA, and this is the thing actually. So it will improve the performance. Okay, for NumPy calculation. Okay, so the thing is here, I am just taking the texture, so it is now NumPy data, and I am converting to pillow image, and the pillow image, which is like I am imported the pillow. Okay, so the from the array I am getting converting to pillow widget or pillow object, and send to my ASCII art, and calling the from pillow image. Okay, and this is just introduce the pillow image, and which is creating the object, and then I am just called the to key markup. Okay, So this is the thing actually, and it is give me the markup text. Okay, so markup text like this of my video image which is taken from camera. It is converting the frame of every frame which is taking the camera and converting to texture, and then it is converting to buffer, and buffer then it is converting to numpy data, and then numpy data to pillow image, and then it is converting to ASCII characters of my every frame which is taking from the camera, and it is the markup text actually. And I have presented, and I have added the update image, so we can update in our widget, so we can see the output actually. So I'm going to the update image, and now now I'm rendering the text actually, or the ASCII characters to the label. So where the markup label class is defined here, this is the label. I've just rendered to the here, and then I have just used the refresh to update the texture, and then I have just introduced I have just taking the label texture to this dash underscore text which is defined here. Okay, so what it is doing, it is just moving my data to Kivy file. Yeah, see, so every new value it will update the texture. Okay, so that the thing actually. Okay, and then what I have done, taking the width and height and update to the size of the of this shader widget. Okay, so this is the thing actually, and it is running well, and you can see the shader widget which is defined here. So where we can do many things like shaders. Okay, so that the widget actually. So that the thing, it is a normal widget, and it is moving the texture to the shader thing actually. I am not expert in shader, but you can do many things, many operations using shaders. So I will extend that further for in future. That is why I have used the shader widget, or otherwise you can use simple widget. Okay, so you cannot bother about the shader things, and do things like canvas before and canvas like rectangle to the texture. Okay, so it will do the same thing actually, and see the output which is very nice. So that the thing actually what I have done, doing experimenting something with Kivy. Kivy is so powerful, guys. You can do many things with Kivy. So as I am getting now I am learning many code things with Kivy. So this is the thing. It is application is running like shader like ASCII filter which we have shown in Instagram. Okay, and it is obviously it is colored ASCII, colored ASCII. So you can find many things with non-color ASCII in YouTube, but it is the color ASCII, and it is running very good in using Kivy. So that the thing actually, that the newest thing. So what I have done using Kivy, so I have extended the ASCII magic, and I have used in my Kivy project. Okay, so if you want Discord, contact me. You can contact me in Discord. If you want to build some applications with Kivy, just contact me. I can help you. I am providing Kivy services to everyone. Okay, so if you want my service or Kivy expertise, just contact me, and for some discussions or for some help, okay, some built Android application, so contact me. And this is the thing actually, I will extend this application for that. So that thanks, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel. So thank you.